Once upon a time, four siblings represented the weather: sunny, rainy, windy, and snowy. Sunny beamed with warmth and brightness, spreading joy and energy everywhere.
Rainy nourished the earth, bringing life to plants and quenching thirsts.
Windy thrilled with its breezes, whistling tunes, and clearing stagnant air. Snowy blanketed the world, creating serene beauty and peaceful moments. One day, they bickered over who was most loved by people. Sun smiled, "Everyone loves my warmth and light." Rainy remarked, "Water is essential for all life to flourish." Windy chimed, "My breezes refresh and clear the skies." Snowy added, "My snowflakes create calm and a clean slate." Their quarrel led them to God, seeking a decision. God smiled and said, "Each of you brings unique blessings." "Without sun, the world is cold and lifeless," God explained. "Rain, you feed the earth's hunger," God acknowledged lovingly. "Wind, you drive change and breathe life," God praised Windy. "Snow, your beauty and quiet calm suit the world," God emphasized. "People cherish you all for different reasons," God clarified gently. Thus, the four weathers lived in peace, blessing the world in turn. People cherished every moment, knowing each was a gift from God. "Together, you balance the world and life," God concluded. They understood that together they create a vibrant, balanced world. And so, the story of the four weathers became a timeless tale. Remember to find blessings in every weather life offers us. Sunny days, rainy moments, windy breezes, or snowy wonders, embrace them all. For in God's design, every weather is a blessing to cherish.